Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add a sleek interactive carousel to your website in Webflow, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through a step-by-step guide on creating a beautiful image carousel from scratch, which is perfect for portfolios, product images, testimonials, really, anywhere you want to let visitors scroll side to side through content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a working carousel that looks professional and works smoothly, even if you're brand new to Webflow. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you want to do whenever you're laying out elements in Webflow is to keep things organized. So we're going to start by adding a container to our page. The container acts sort of like a tray that keeps everything centered and evenly spaced no matter what device your viewer is on. You'll find the container element in the Add panel and just drag it right onto your canvas. I always recommend using containers for elements like sliders or carousels because they help prevent your design from spilling off the page or looking awkward on different screens. Now inside your container, we'll add the actual slider component. In Webflow, the slider widget comes with the basic functionality you need right out of the box, including navigation arrows and the ability to hold multiple slides. Just drag in a slider from the Add panel and drop it into your container. If it doesn't fill the whole width, don't worry. You can always adjust the settings later to fit your design. Next up, slides need content. For most carousels, this content is images, so let's focus on that. Click to select the first slide. By default, Webflow will create the first two slides for you and then drag in an image element onto that first slide. When you see that blue highlight showing you're inside the slide, release to drop the image. Right after that, you'll be prompted to choose an image. Here, where you select something from your uploads or hit the upload button and pick a new file from your computer. Take your time choosing an image since this is what visitors will first see in your carousel. Don't worry if it's not perfect, you can always swap it out or resize later. Now to fill out your carousel with more images, we'll move to the next slide. In your Navigator panel, which you'll find on the side of your Webflow workspace, click on the Slide 2 element. The Navigator is a bit like a well-organized table of contents for your site. If you ever lose track of where you are, it's a great way to jump between elements quickly. With Slide 2 selected, repeat what we did before. Drag an image element onto Slide 2, click to choose your second image, and either select from your files or upload a new one. This process is the same for as many slides as you want. Just keep adding slides in the slider settings and repeating the steps. Once you're happy with how everything looks or you just want to see how it's coming together, it's time to preview your work. Hit the preview eyeball icon at the top of your Webflow Designer. Now you can interact with your carousel in real time. Click the arrows to switch slides, check the spacing, and make sure your images look crisp. Don't worry if something needs adjusting. You can always go back to the designer and tweak it as needed. Carousels take a little trial and error to get just right. And that's it, your Webflow image carousel is ready to roll. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or need help customizing your carousel further, just leave a comment down below. I love helping out. Make sure to subscribe if you want more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.